guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you two super simple DIY ideas. If you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get started. For today's DIY project, you need to prepare a large canvas. I decided to reuse an old one which I already have it at home. You can also consider using foam board or cardboard to prepare one. For the first idea, we're gonna use the foam flower ring from Dollar Tree. To prepare those foam rays, before we apply spray paint on it, I decided to use the paint tape from Dollar Tree to wrap it. But you certainly can consider using other methods, for example, using Mod Podge to seal the surface. After I finished wrapping 4 foam rays, I took them in garage and spray painted in gold color. The next step is to evenly lay out these 4 rays onto the canvas. As you can see from the video, I used the tape to help locate the position of these 4 rays on the canvas. You actually don't have to do it if you feel like it is not necessary. To attach those rays onto the canvas, as you can see in the video, I used the mounting tape from Dollar Tree. This is because I need to reuse this canvas to show you the second idea. If you want to redo this project at home, please make sure you want to use strong adhesive instead. This is how the first wall decor looks. It is very beautiful to me. I like it. If you are new to my channel, also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. This way you will not miss any new videos in the future. Now let's check out the second idea. For this design, we're going to use candy cane. I collected a bunch of those candy cane containers from the passing holiday season. Next, I'm going to show you how to reuse this plastic waste to make a beautiful wall decor. After I removed those sticky label of those candy cane, I took them in garage and spray painted in gold. Then I laid out those candy cane onto the canvas with a pattern which I want, and used the hot glue gun to glue them onto the canvas. Then it's all done. It is super easy, right? Everybody can do it. Now let's check out how the second wall decor looks. It is pretty unique and beautiful to me. I hope you like it too. Feel free to let me know all your thoughts on these 2 DIY ideas. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.